In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer for Borderlands 4. Check my video description for this site link. Scroll down and select the first link under standalone versions. Once download done, select the trainer.exe and select yes option. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press escape key and press the alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. Once you turn on, minimize this and get back to the game. As you can see, I selected infinite health. That's why the health isn't reduced. So I'm gonna shoot and show you guys infinite ammo. Trainer is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.